Welcome to Sakrete Pro Tips, how to apply Cure N Seal. The last step is the most important step when finishing concrete. The job's not over just because the concrete is hard. You need to promote its ultimate strength through what is known as curing. Curing, in a nutshell, is keeping as much moisture in the slab as possible for as long as possible, so as it grows and matures in strength, that strength is maximized. But secondly, and more important to you and the aesthetics of your job, is curing will also help reduce shrinkage, which can lead to cracking and all other types of problems. There are numerous ways to cure concrete, such as a water sprinkler, ponding, or wet burlap. But by far, the most efficient method is to apply a film-forming compound such as Sakrete Cure N Seal. The name says what it does. Cure means apply the product as soon as the concrete will bear your weight. Seal means anytime after 1 month through the life of the concrete, you can then reseal. There are two basic application methods for applying your Cure N Seal. You can either use a roller or a pump-up sprayer. If you go with the roller option, make sure you get a 1/2 inch or greater roll nap. When you apply the material, make sure you go multi-directional. You are not painting the house, you are not painting a wall. You go all different directions to blend the sealer into the concrete, and you won't see lines. For today's purpose, we're going to use a pump-up sprayer to apply the material. So we're just going to apply the sealer from our hand sprayer. Just put an even coat. Sakrete Cure N Seal goes on milky, but it dries crystal clear. It's a non-yellowing formulation, so the Sakrete Cure N Seal is actually an architectural grade sealer. It's water-based. There's no smell whatsoever. It's a great product for anything from your regular concrete to stamped concrete or even colored concrete. Whatever you decide to do to cure your slab, make sure you resist the urge to just pouring the Cure N Seal straight from the bottle onto the concrete. This leaves a pour mark. It's about absorption rates, and you'll see a ring of discoloration and be very unhappy. Remember, when the slab is finished, the job is not complete until you've done some method of cure.